Today is a beautiful day for renewable energy and for data centers. Data centers are a remarkable efficient way to process data, and at the same time they're a significant consumer of energy. At our Mountain Data Centers, we are committed to using 100% renewable energy 24/7. Our goal is to power 25 plus data centers across 3 continents with locally sourced renewable energy each and every hour of each and every day. Over the last couple of years, we've made significant progress integrating solar, wind and energy storage in the fuel mix to power our data centers. A very common question about 24/7 renewables is, what do you do these moments when there's no sun or no wind? That's the reason why we are really happy to announce this partnership with SeaQurrent. SeaQurrent developed a smart solution that allows you to use the currents of the sea to produce renewable, predictable and constant energy.
So the movement of the water is what we use with this kite that you can see behind me to extract energy from it. The wings in this kite capture the flow, and that accelerates the kite through the water, and that makes up for the fact that the kite will generate a traction force. And that traction force we use to generate electricity.
Currents of the sea are really predictable. So other than wind or solar, we know what's going to happen, and we know how much power to expect each and every hour.
So that's why there is a very nice match between what we can produce and what data centers need.
By mixing different sources of renewable energy, this allows us to get 24/7 actual renewable energy to power our data centers.
So we're looking at one kite here that we are testing at this test location. We're looking to improve this system and to be able to deploy in large farms.
And while the technology is impressive, we're just as proud of our innovative local first strategy in this partnership, ensuring SeaQurrent also meets local energy demands.
If we look toward the future of energy, electrification is important. So we see heating becoming electric, we see ferries becoming electric in the near or more distant future. So we work together with the local municipality of Ameland and the local energy cooperative. So we're also looking to provide a substantial amount of the energy produced here to the island and to become self-sufficient in energy supply. As SeaQurrent, our ambition is to make TidalKite a mainstream energy solution next to wind and solar within a decade. With the TidalKite that can work here near Ameland but can work in many other coastal regions and around islands, we can power households, we can power data centers and we can power other consumers that need power continuously.